Fastlane drive, we don't wait in line. Wealth in motion, multiply and climb. No more grind, let the systems grow. The Coopers ride.
Alright, here's the roadmap. You have to know the destination if you're ever gonna get there.
Exactly. It's all about having a clear vision, a plan that leads to wealth, and the right vehicle to get you there. Roadmap to wealth? What does that even mean? Just buy the shoes. Problem solved.
Mandy, there's no magic purchase that leads to riches. It's about systems. Systems that multiply your money while you sleep.
You need to think bigger, like building a business that serves thousands, or investing in things that automatically generate an income.
Exactly. There are 3 types of roadmaps: the sidewalk, the slow lane, and the fast lane.
But doesn't just everyone need a job? Not if you want financial freedom. A job's great for stability, but it doesn't offer you real wealth building. You need something that works for you.
That's the fast lane. Building something that doesn't require your constant attention. Like an investment system that works 24/7 while you're living your life.
Alright, so I just stop spending money and start on what? Investing in some random thing? Not random. Think strategic, like an investment that compounds itself, such as an AI trading system or digital assets that appreciate over time.
See, Mandy? Systems like automated trading bots or a business you build today can be running for years without you lifting a finger.
And imagine this, using AI technology to make smarter investments, not just buying things that you want right now. So I should be putting money into systems and not shoes. Exactly. Your money should be working for you. That's how you get into the fast lane.
It's time to plan for the future. Forget about quick fixes and start investing in things that grow over time.
It's not about luck. It's about making smarter decisions and using your time wisely. Build systems that scale. All right. I'll start thinking about what I can build and not just what I can buy.
That's it, Mandy. Start thinking fast lane.
Inspired by the Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco. Special thanks to my brother-in-law for motivating me to create this series.
Fastlane drive, we don't wait in line. Wealth in motion, multiply and climb. No more grind, let the systems grow. The Coopers rise, now it's time to go. I see numbers flip, turn dollars to a fleet. Assets stacking while they sleeping in defeat. Candy swipes, but I'm building up my lane. Passive streams, now I'm never working late. I used to chase trends, spending every dime. But Sandy showed me wealth is built in time. Now what you earn, but how you let it grow. Now I play smart, watch my empire grow. Money ain't just cash, it's the path you choose. Playing smart, learn the game, never lose. Systems running, cash flow never late. Wealth ain't luck, it's the moves we make. Fast lane moves, let the numbers climb. Break the chains, turn your grind and shine. Smart money, big dreams, no rewind. The Coopers leveled up, yeah, it's our time.